For 675,000 pesos, pwede ka nang magkaroon ng 150 square meter na lote. Yes, you heard it right. 150 square meter for only 675,000 pesos. With flexible payment terms up to 5 years installment. Kaya kung naghahanap ka ng perfect investment, this is the best choice para sa'yo. Welcome to San Agustin, Magallanes, Cavite, kung saan presko at malamig ang klima, mataas ang lugar kaya siguradong walang baha, tahimik at province vibes talaga. Perfect for your rest house or retirement home, and very ideal for farming because of its good soil. And this is the good news. You can reserve your slot for only 10,000 pesos with 12,476 monthly amortization. Kaya ano pang hinihintay mo? Message me now to reserve your slot dahil Magallanes have a high potential for value appreciation. Again, this is Relcy Marte, your licensed broker and investment partner.